Vital statistics. Eighth problem. From the following data, calculate the CBR, GFR and ASFR for the age group 25 to 39. The table is given. So by using this, we have to find, first thing is we should know the formula. We'll continue to solve. Solution. We'll find the total by calculating. We get the total of male population, female population and the number of live births. We have to find CBR, that is live birth by average population. Just for our reference, I will put the table again here. You can see this table for your reference. So number of live birth. So the number of live birth is highlighted here, 11,413. And then we have to find the average population. Average population means male population plus female population. The addition is shown here. By substituting 11,413 divided by 3,53,000 into 1000. By simplifying, we get 32.33. We have to find GFR. The formula is live birth by total number of women of childbearing age. Childbearing age means 15 to 49. So we have to calculate the women's female population between that age only. It is highlighted here. 11,413 divided by the female population between 15 to 49. If we add this highlighted one, we are getting 1,01,000. Then by simplifying, GFR equal to 113 birth per 1000 women of childbearing age. Next, we have to find ASFR. They are given the age as 25 to 39. The ASFR formula is given live birth in the specific age group by female in that particular age group. We have to find ASFR for 25 to 39. So here, if you see 25 to 39 in the table, and then we can substitute only that particular age group, we have to substitute the number of birth by female population in that particular age group 25 to 39. Then by simplifying, we get 102.45. Ninth problem. Calculate CBR, GFR and ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. The table is given to us. So from the given table, we'll find the total and then we'll substitute. Solution. Find the total. Now we'll find CBR. We know the formula. Number of live birth by average population. Number of birth is given as 1712. Then we have to find the average population. Here they are given male population and female population. This both we should add it. So by adding this, we will get the average population as 65,531. Then by substituting, we get CBR equal to 26.13. We have to find GFR. The formula is live birth by women of childbearing age. I'll put the table here for our reference. Childbearing age means 15 to 49. So find the total live birth by adding women population between this age group only. Then by simplifying, we get GFR as 87.65. Next, we have to find ASFR. They are given the age between 15 to 24. In the table, you can refer 15 to 24. At the live birth 15 to 24, that is 510 plus 880, that is number of live birth, and the female population is 7888 plus 3444. By simplifying, we get 122.7. 10th problem. The following table gives the age and sex distribution and the number of live births occurring in a year in a population. Compute CBR, GFR and ASFR. The table is given to us, same like previous problem. Male, female population and the live birth is given. We will find the total. Solution. We will find the total. We will find the ASFR. We have to each and every age group live birth by female in that particular age group we have to take. So ASFR equal to, in the first 0 divided by 19,840 is 0 only. Next one, 212 divided by 7310 is 29. 657 divided by 7120 is 92.28. 592 divided by 5860 is 101.02. 326 divided by 9120 is 35.75. 81 divided by 6910 is 11.72. 0 divided by any number is 0. So we have found ASFR, the new table. Next we have to find CBR. Just for our reference, I will put the table here. You can refer this table. Number of live birth, we know that we can total the live birth. Average population is nothing but adding the male and female population. You can see the table. 1868 divided by 1,31,540 into 1000. By simplifying, we get 14.20. Next, we have to find GFR. The formula is live birth by women under the age group 15 to 49. You can see the table. Add all the live births, we get 1868, and the female between 15 to 49 age group, that is 36,320. Then by simplifying, we get 51.43. So by this we got GFR as 51.43. The basic thing is we should memorize the formula and then we can substitute in the table, we will get the answer. Thank you. We will continue to solve the remaining problem in the coming videos.